In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Wanderstop on your PC. So what you need to do is go to Google, and first we need to locate the game on Steam before we can proceed with other steps. So search for the Steam website, go there, and there we will search for the game in the search bar Wanderstop. So click on that. Once you have opened the game page, then you will see this is a paid game on Steam. This game will cost €20.99 on Steam. So what we need to do next is basically click on the link in the description. Once you are there, then you will open this website, and now we will search for the same game. And what we will do, click on search. After that, click on games on the left side. Then sort by lowest price first, and as you can see, the game is much cheaper on this website than on Steam. So if you buy this game on this website, you will receive a confirmation mail with all the steps to follow to download this game on Steam. Yes, you heard right, you can download the same game on Steam, but much cheaper through this website. So follow the steps and you are playing this game very soon. I hope these tips were very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!